Hi everyone, I'm going to tell you about my course that I made in Schoology. My course is about money and it is dedicated for second graders. If you click on the Getting Started folder, there is a tab that tells you what to expect in the course. Then there is a teacher information folder. And then there is general information such as the syllabus, classroom policies, netiquette, discussion policies, and second grade standards that we will be covering in this course. If you go back to the home page, you will see the community discussion form, and in that is where you would introduce yourself for our first discussion. And then there are 3 other discussions that will be completed throughout the course. They gradually get harder. Go back to the home page, then you will go to the group assignment. The group assignment will be completed throughout the course. The next folder that you will see is resources. In this folder, there are different links to money games, money songs, and I even included an instructional video on money. Going back to the home page once again, there is a library. In the library, you will find more links about money, and you will also find a link from Schoology for parents to help them understand the course. And then there is also a parent guide. Going back to our home page, you will see that first you will get started with a pre-assessment. You will use the pre-assessment to set your goal. And as you can see, the pre-assessment asks questions about money. Going back, so once you complete your pre-assessment, then you will jump right into goal setting. So if you click on the goal setting folder, it says start here, set your goal. So you will set your goal using this handout. Simply download it, fill it out using drawing tools, then you will go back and you will submit it here. And you will be updating it throughout the course. After goal setting, you will see Lesson 1. Lesson 1, the students will identify and name various coins. If you click on Lesson 1, you have several links that will help you, and you even have games that you can practice with. Then you have your assignment, and this is the basic setup for all of the lessons. Lesson 2, identify value of the coins. So you have a video to watch, and let's just preview this one. So this will take you to an external link.
My bank. Ted, I think you got fleeced. Shoot.
And this is a video on identifying coins. After watching that video, you will return, and then you can have some practice identifying those coins through ABC.
Learning coins. Learn.
First, you can learn how to play the game,
Learn.
then you can play the game. Going back to our course, the last section is your actual assignment. Let's take a closer look. So you would download the handout, complete the handout using your drawing tools, then submit it by taking a screenshot. Okay, let's go and take a look at Lesson 3. Lesson 3, you are adding coins up to 99 cents. The same thing, you'll watch a video, you'll play a game, then you will submit your assignment. Lesson 4, you will introduce Touchpoint, learn it as a resource, then you complete your assignment. This is the same basic setup for all of the lessons. Lesson 5, you will practice counting using touch points. Lesson 6, this is where you will be introduced to word problems to add sets of coins. Lesson 7, given $1, students will be able to buy items and make change. After you complete all of the lessons, then you will submit your post-assessment. Now, pre and post assessments, they are generally the same. That way you can have a true assessment. So this is the same basic setup as the pre-assessment. It is just not in the same order, or it may not ask the questions in the same fashion. But overall, it is the same. That way you can get a true assessment. After you finish your post-assessment, then you will go back to your goal and you will see if you successfully met your goal. And the very last folder that we have is references. If you click on the references, these are all of the references that I used to create this course. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoy our money course.